We all know the judge is pretty fed up at this point, especially since the trial is dragging longer than expected.
Your microphone.
As with the Hicksville witness, Your Honor, I would ask that we could voir dire him before the jury to find out when he contacted counsel and when they became aware of it. And I think also, under the circumstances, in fairness, I think we should at least be able to ask him what he's going to claim.
Response.
Your Honor, I don't think that's appropriate. Certainly, I don't think a proffer is necessary or appropriate in this case.
I'm not going to do a proffer in this matter, okay?
This is why it was no surprise when Judge Azcarate called out Amber's lawyer for messing up during Johnny Depp's cross-examination, and everyone is suddenly wishing that the good judge can get a break or whatever, because it's surely pretty stressful to deal with lawyers who are acting like they aren't. So, how did the judge react to Rottenborn's mist? And will this affect his credibility as a lawyer? Let's find out. Johnny took the stand in order to disprove Amber's claims against him, and of course Heard's team tried to destroy his testimony. His entire cross was pretty intense if you ask me, and the Pirate of the Caribbean actor didn't back down whenever Amber's lawyer would try to corner him. Things got more interesting when Rottenborn introduced text messages which were allegedly sent by Johnny. This evidence was produced before the court to prove how Depp made mean and explicit remarks about his ex-wife. And if you're a lawyer, a law student, or just someone who enjoys watching trials, you would know that entering pieces of evidence to be marked before the court is as important as the actual evidence itself.
Mr. Depp, this is a text message that you sent to Christian Carino on August 15th, 2016, correct?
This is already in evidence, correct? Or is it 857?
Parts of it are.
Oh, so not this.
Not this version.
Well, this can't be 857, then don't.
This is why Amber's lawyer messed up, and he messed up big time. Obviously, Judge Azcarate didn't approve of Rottenborn's seemingly ignorance about this rule when he tried confronting Depp with a text message, part of which wasn't officially entered as evidence in court. We can hear laughter following that remark, but people are saying that the judge is just straight up fed up with all of this and is just trying her best to keep calm until the very end. I mean, who wouldn't, right? This was not the first time Amber's lawyers were called out by the judge for introducing dubious evidence which does not conform with court standards. In fact, Judge Azcarate once scolded them for presenting redacted evidence without prior permission from the other side. One fan commented about this saying, "Imagine being a jury sitting there all day missing work for 6 weeks while the elite drag their dirty laundry around for the world to see. I think whoever wins should have to pay court costs that include paying the jury for their time." Another applauded the judge's patience with this comment. Man, the immense patience the judge has to have to sit through the entire thing and keep paying attention to every detail. Many also made remarks about how rude Amber's lawyer was, especially when he was clearly not letting Depp answer his questions in full. This fan got fed up and said, Rottenborn asking a question and not letting Johnny Depp answer by talking over him and proceeding to ask another question. You're a clown, Mr. Rottenborn. Well, how about you? Do you think Amber's lawyer totally messed up, and do you think this will affect the judge's impression of him and of the case in general? Let us know what you think in the comments below.